We're at Hamilton Gardens on the North Island of New Zealand. I love these gardens so much I came back a second day. The gardens are so beautifully designed as a complex whole. In this video, I'll take you through two of the many wonderful garden spaces. What fascinated me is how they created several hubs, and each hub branches off in different directions to enter various gardens. Each garden has a different theme, and each entry is unique as well, like a gateway or an arbor. So here, I'll start at the Cloud Court, a hub that leads to the Italian Renaissance garden. So from this sweet little calm grotto of a Romulus and Remus statuette, we go to the other direction and have a grand fountain. A driving force in the design of Renaissance gardens was the idea that human beings could reshape nature to their will more perfectly than their creator had. Along with this, they were symbols of power and wealth. These are all potted citrus trees. I think maybe they're lemon trees, orange, and they're potted all around here. And there are every single planting square that's hedged in has a different design to it. Different plants, combinations of flowers, herbs, and this one has succulents in it. And of course that beautiful fountain in the middle that's creating the sound that really defines this garden, this walled Italian garden. That's the arbor up there, grapes on that arbor. Italian cypress. This Italian Renaissance garden was designed from many influences, in particular the Arab garden traditions, such as the Alhambra in Spain. Renaissance designers constantly tried to emulate and surpass the ancient Greek and Roman achievements. Renaissance gardens evolved from the medieval garden with many of the elements from that earlier era, such as the high surrounding walls, flat square beds with edges lined with plants, beds of herbs, arched trellis work, and lawns studded with flowers. The foundational grid patterns for this Renaissance garden derive from the classical order of perspective, proportion, symmetry, and geometric forms, circles, and triangles. I will be sharing more videos of the fascinating and beautiful gardens here at the Hamilton Gardens. But to finish our tour of the Renaissance garden, we found ourselves at the opposite side of the entry. This doorway drew me through it to discover an intimate view of the Waikato River, the longest river in New Zealand, running south to north for 264 miles. It empties out at the Tasman Sea. The Waikato River has spiritual meaning for the various local Maori tribes who regard it as a source of their mana, or pride, and spiritual prestige. If you liked this video, please subscribe so that you can watch more on New Zealand and other plant and garden topics.